Adamson leading by 3. This is the set that at least NU tasted the lead, but they couldn't hang on to it. The biggest lead of NU was 1 point. They trailed the entire set number 1, and they're trailing here 1-0 against Pau Soriano and the Lady Falcons.
That's right. This is the time that Adamson normally steps on the gas. No, pagdating nito mga 16, 17, 18 points. And now they have that a 3-point lead, and NU, for their part, they have Kaine Pumuseno in the back row. So ito yung crucial na stage in this second set, I would think, for NU.
First serve of Soriano is an ace, 17-13.
And you've got Pineda also in the back row for Adamson. So let's see what the two setters can do.
Another nice serve from Pau Soriano.
Nako, free ball na naman for Adamson.
Kinlog. Nice defense, score defense by NU that time. Perez plays setter. Here comes Marzan. This time everything. And Coach Vicente calls a timeout. 2 straight points they gave away to Adamson at season na NU.
Pag dito galing yung set, nagagawa mo pukulin ng malakas. Kasi nangyari sa'yo, kinakabig mo rito. Huwag mong kabikin, doon ka umarap pa cross court. Pag kinabig mo rito, galing dito yung bola, ano mangyayari? Hindi mo nakikita yung dumadating na bola. Eh kung nakaharap ka dito, di nakikita mo yung dumadating na bola. Pag kinanon mo, kita mo pa rin yung bola kasi nakaharap ka sa bola eh. Naintindihan, no? Hindi pa tapos.
That's one of the things you need to have also is patience with these rookies. You know, Andrea Marzan getting some tips on how to approach a ball if it's coming from your right side.
That's right.
And hopefully she makes the adjustments quickly because kailangan ng NU dito ng opensa.
Power.
Luisa Zapanta with the hit.
Wala, hindi makapuntos itong NU. They can't get the serve back. 2 straight points from the serve of Pau Soriano. Ooh. Throws it away this time.
Tama na raw. Maraming.
Kota na.
So 14-19 as fresh legs check in for National University. Sheila Pineda.
That's Diesta.
Mary Grace Diesta. There's Zapanta. Good block by Nepomuceno. Zapanta. That's off the tape of the net.
Diesta.
So 2 straight points for NU, courtesy of these errors from Adamson, but they throw it away.
Sayang, no? After that point,
sayang, they could have gone for it.
Just give it back, yeah.
Back to a 5-point lead, Adamson. Wow. Parang tumalbog na yata si Pineda away from the ball. Too much power.
Yeah, that's right. Perfect angle.
5 out.
Nakita niya yung butas ng block. Cross court. And Pineda not able to do anything about it already.
NU. 17 out. 9.
Mandapat will replace Myla Pablo.
Liza Mandapat to serve for the Lady Bulldogs.
Nice serve.
She scores an ace.
That's the way. Mandapat getting that service ace.
National University in the midst of another run again. Let's see if they can complete it this time. Solid serve again from Riza Mandapat. Angelica Kinlog off the tape of the net again.
Again, that was started with a good serve of Mandapat.
So NU within 2. Doc, ano?
Nakadikit na.
They were down by 5 kanina, 2015. 3-point run by National University.
Another good one. Tama, walang maiset na... Uy!
Pero napabayaan yung depensa that time.
That's right. Mandapat and Nepomuceno, they were right there where that ball landed. Kaya nagkahiyaan. Both of them moving away from where that ball landed.
Team captain, Jampong Kinlog.
So 21-18 now. Adamson. Pressure Salibad, kaya ni Nepomuceno. Cross court again. This time much prepared si Pineda, but blocked, touched the net for Adamson.
Sayang, ang depensa ni Pineda. Alquino is guilty of that net touch.
Serving the Lady Bulldogs.
Lady Bulldogs again within 2. 19 serving 21. Another nice serve by National University. Free ball para sa NU.
Ganda ng play.
Better reception, better defense from Adamson. Nepomuceno on the combination. Yes.
That's right. Nepomuceno this time getting that set from Salibad. Dadang able to bring with her 2 blockers right there. Ayun. Butas yung gitna. There you go. That is exactly what you want in a combination play. At least your middle attacker, your quicker, gets to bring with her 1 if not 2 blockers. Then there's a huge opening for your differential attacker.
And wow, don't look now, we're tied 21 all. 2 straight points on the serve of Ivy Perez. The last one, over-received. Kaya napatay agad di kaya ni Nepomuceno.
Perez.
Let's see if Perez can continue.
Looks good.
No. Ooh. So that was the same serves she had earlier. Ito lang hindi bumaba, no? But that was a good try there for Perez.
Coach Vicente wants to talk things over again. Let's listen in to National U.
21, NU 22, Adamson.
Ikot ka. Pag maganda receive, ikot ka. Okay, mag-running ka. Dulo-dulo. Okay? Open. Okay? Ikot ka. Dulo-dulo ang play ha. Pagbalik, be quick. Tapos, pwede mong gawing press. Okay? Naintindihan? Okay, yun lang. Receive ng maayos ha, para matupad yung play. Ayun.
Coach Francis Vicente feeling this set, it's within his grasp, calls a timeout right away after they lost the lead, and setting up a series of several plays right after a good reception.
And tama yung tawag ni Coach Francis, ano? Sabi niya, this is within our reach, no? This is a set that we can win. We haven't won a set for a very, very long time. Baka ito na yun, wag natin pakawalan.
There's a good play from NU. Pineda, though. Just too much power.
Just like a rocket every time she lifts off.
Wow.
Service, Portel.
What an athlete, Sheila Pineda. 23-21.
Outside shot by Dadang.
Dadang overshoots the mark. And
that's right, not the right approach.
The beginning of the end for set number 2 para sa NU.
Well, after calling that timeout, they give away 3 points to Adamson, so sayang.
Set point. Lady Falcons, Salibad to Nepomuceno.
Kind of low.
Tip over by Soriano, and that's all she wrote. Set number 2, Soriano being the closer for Adamson in the first 2 sets. Powering Adamson 2 straight points in set number 1 and closing it out with that final point here in set number 2, 25-22, 25-21. Adamson 2-0 against NU.